Video. उठा Hello. Yes. Hello.
As you are aware, we have started the SAR on 4th of November. So from 4th November 2025 till 4th December 2025, we had house-to-house enumeration, during which we have given the enumeration form to all the electors. We have collected the duly filled enumeration forms. Based on that, we have published the draft roll. Now, draft roll was published on 16th of December 2025. So prior to the exercise of SAR, we had 6,32,010 electors in the roll for South Goa. Now, during the draft roll, we have in the draft roll we have total number of 5,76,607 voters. Deletions have happened when the draft roll was published, which basically is because of absentee, duplicate, and deleted cases. Now, after the draft roll was published, we started taking hearings for logical discrepancy cases and unmapped cases. So, in all the assembly constituencies, EROs and AEROs were taking the hearings. Voters have submitted the documents, and after taking the hearing, now we are publishing the rolls with 5,59,282 voters. 5,59,282 voters. Now coming to the distinction, there are 2,69,488 male voters, 2,89,785 female voters, and 9 third gender voters in case of South Goa district. Now, during the SAR phase, we also undertook rationalization of polling stations. So, prior to SAR, we had 906 polling stations in South Goa. Now, after the SAR, the number is 911. Few polling stations have been created in the following ACs. In 26 Dabolim AC, we have created 2 new polling stations. In 27 Kottalim, 2 more polling stations. 35 Velim, 1 polling station, and 2 polling stations in Savargam AC. 2 polling stations from Mormugo AC was deleted because all the voters have been shifted. So these are the facts regarding the SAR. Now we will be handing over the final roll to the political parties. The thing is, any voter whose name got deleted or anybody finding their names included in some other part or any discrepancy, they can prefer appeal. They can file within 15 days from today, and that would be the first appeal. First appeal will come to the BO. Second appeal provision is also there, which is with the CEO. So after the decision of the DO, another 15 days maybe they can file second appeal with the CEO. Thank you.
Is there a deletion of voters who have dual passport and all?
Dual passport.
Yeah.
So during the exercise, we got the list of people who were having passport in other countries. What we have noticed in most of the cases, already their names have been deleted. But during the SAR phase, we have verified whether their names are coming in the roll or not, and accordingly, forms have been taken from them for deletion.
Madam, as regards the hearings that have been conducted, orders have been passed in all these cases?
Yes. So after order was passed and the documents have been verified, then only the names were put for final publication.
Is there any window for appealing?
15 days time.
Okay, from the hearings?
Yes, 15 days from the time in which they are getting to know the order. So it can be today also, just like our normal procedure.
They can appeal against the order?
Yeah, appeal against the order of ERO or AERO within 15 days time. Under section 24 of the RTA Act.
Can you go on further to this together.
So here we have created a template for filing appeal. That is because generally people were coming, then they were asking whether they have to file it like a normal revenue matter. So we have created a template which is kept available, so they can just fill it with the order copy or the details.
Between the draft role and the current role, could you give us the number of people who have been reinstated after their names have been deleted?
That number we are not having.
You should have it if there are
No,
people.
that is not provided, so that we will be getting all those information. So a lot of people's name were included in the draft rod, but then they were flagged as logical discrepancy, so we had to issue notice. We took hearing and some name would have been deleted.
Madam, are these also uploaded on the
Yeah,
website?
so the information is available in the website of CEO, ceogoa.nic.in. So all the roles for all the ACs are available in the website of CEO.